says picnic area, Red Fox Shelter, and then waterfront desk and playground. So apparently a playground back here too. You head down this way. What do you see? That look like the parking lot. Okay, you gotta keep going. The playground's over there. Huh? It's the playground. Okay. So they have a playground back there for them to go play at too. I didn't expect that to be back there. So now we're down. Oh, that looks like another parking lot before that. Yeah, to the exit out right now. Yeah, parking. Seems like people bring their boats out here. Uh-oh. That's the park. Yeah, it's a lakefront right here. You can wrap around. It lets you wrap around. They have a little house out there on the prairie. That's beautiful. Man, oh, I know where we at. Wow, we're on the other side. That's what this is. Oh, that's the Lake Wiley Marina. Yeah, I know exactly where we're at. I didn't know this was where this was at. That's cool. So they like boats on the side. Yeah. How they build it right